morning. This is Room Service Department. This is Minya speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning. Can I order my breakfast?
Certainly, ma'am. But before I take your order, do you have your menu? It is located on the table beside your bed. Did you see it?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. May I know your name and your room number, please?
My name is Divine Grace and room 314.
Okay, ma'am. If you're ready to order now, may I take your order now?
Can I order American breakfast, scrambled egg, white toast with butter, porridge served with cold milk, orange juice, sausage, and hot tea?
Okay, ma'am. May I suggest to you our orange juice? It is also under in your contained tag of breakfast. Would you like me to add it in your breakfast, ma'am?
No.
Okay, ma'am. May I repeat your order? You order American breakfast, scrambled egg, white toast with butter, orange served with cold milk, orange juice, sausage, and hot tea.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Your order will be served within 15 minutes. Is there anything else that I can do for you, ma'am?
No thanks.
Okay, ma'am. Are you paying cash or cash it to your room?
Just charge it to my room.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you and have a nice day.
Yes.
Good day, ma'am. I am Super Senior, your room service attendant for the day. Is this the room of Miss Angela Pila?
Yes.
May I come in?
Yes.
Would you like me to open the curtain for you?
No.
Is the air temperature okay?
Yes.
Or would you like me to adjust it?
No.
Would you like me to turn on the TV for you?
No.
Alright, ma'am. Allow me to present your room to you. This is your order American breakfast, scrambled egg, white toast with butter, orange served with cold milk, orange juice, sausage, and ham.
Yes. Those are perfect.
You're welcome, ma'am. Is there anything else that I can help you with?
I'm good always.
Here's your bill, ma'am. May I have your signature, please? Thank you, ma'am. I will come back after 45 minutes to pick up your tray. Or you may leave it outside your door. When you are done, thank you and have a great day.